Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today, I will give you important information for you. Maybe if you want to be teacher, and absolutely you will be the best teacher for your students. You have to do the best for your students. And then today I will give you some procedure how to use hot potatoes application, and you have to know it. What hot potatoes application is? It is about application that are really useful for you as a teacher for giving kinds of question for your students or duty for your students. And then firstly you can double click of hot potatoes here like this. You can open it, and hot potatoes application has many kinds of the questions or the subject like this. And then we have opened the hot potatoes application. We can see that here there is JClose, JMaths, JMix, and JCross, and then JQuiz, and then the last is the master. So, but here I will give you example about JQuiz, and I click it. And then we can see the form of JQuiz right now. And then the first is there is title, and then the second is question. This is number question 1, so question number 1. And then after that you have to decide for answer A, B, C, and D. And then after that you have to decide which one the correct answer. So if A is the correct answer, so you have to click between A or B or C or D, like that. And then the first step, you have to insert the title. And then I give you example for you. I will take the title is volleyball. And then the second, you have to make question about the title, about volleyball I mean. And I will give question. The first question is, who is the founder of volleyball? Don't forget to give the question mark I mean, sorry. And then you have to decide for answer. The first answer I will give William G. Morgan. And then the second I will give Ronaldo. And then C I will insert Aristoteles. And then the last I will give David Beckham. So we have done it, and then you have to decide which one the correct answer or the best answer. The best answer is A, so I will click A as the correct answer. You have to click here. You have done it. JQuiz is about multiple choice. This is the kinds of multiple choice. If you want to have many question others, you can click this. So I will give you only first question number 1. If you want to next the question, you can click it, and then like this here for the answer, and done. If you want to save, you can click file, and then you have to choose create web page, and then click here like this, and then you can save your question. I will give the name multiple choice J quiz like this, and then I will save it. Oh, multiple choice does already exist. Sorry. I will give the others my name. Okay, Lilis J quiz. Okay, I have saved it, and then now I have to show you view the exercise in my browser. I will click it, and then you can see after this. Okay, we wait. This is the the question of quiz like this, the form of quiz. So I will show you if I answer it. If your answer is true, so you have to get 100%. And then because I know which one the best answer, so I will click A. Okay, and then the correct answer is A, and then your score is 100 like this. You will see it and you will get it if you practice it. Okay, have done. I will close it. Okay, thanks. Before it, so sorry, I forget to introduce myself. I'm Lilis, a student of Islamic State University of Wali Songo Semarang, and I give this procedure for you because I know that many people wants to be a teacher and they hope they will be good teacher for their students, so they have to know how to improve about language teaching media. So I give this suggestion to improve it. Okay, I will close it and we have done. Thanks for your nice attention, and may it will be useful for you. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.